Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for board games and puzzles business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, uh, we can start with such AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter your business type. Okay, so as you see here, you can select your business type. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so enter here your business name or your store name. Okay, do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media or in person? So let's continue to dashboard. Okay. So now let's go to design the sites. Okay. So as you see here, how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize a design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, so now you can enter your information, your name, your email, your address, and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Now you can pick your favorite theme you like. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So you can try your best to make your site looks attractive, like this. Don't forget the simple details like the font and like the themes, the colors and the size. So these simple details, it's more important to make your site looks attractive to attract more customers to your website. Or you can pick your favorite homepage design. And also here you can add pages to your site if you want. You can add about sections, contact section, newest sections. So let's continue. Now as you see, your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. As you see here, this is the editor page. So here you can add elements, so you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs and the text mask. Also if you want to upload images or import images, if you want to explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons. If you want to customize the decorative, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines or vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. If you want to design the site, you can customize your color theme, the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. Okay, so let's move on. The first section here we have the header section. So as you see, you can change the site name. Also, if you want to manage the horizontal menu, so let's move on. Nothing special here. As you see here, this the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background, this image right here. Also, if you want to change the paragraph, just click on it. Okay, just click on it like this and create AI text. You can just select the type of the section, welcome section, and you have to insert information to include here. and click here and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter if you want. For example, I'm gonna use this one. So like this, it's more easier and easy and quick. So let's move on to the next section, the product section. Okay, so as you see, you can manage and create your product here. So you can add new products. Okay, now you can add the title of your product. You can add images and videos. You can add the product information, the name and the description, and also you can customize the pricing options. You can turn this on and change the discounts, the sale price, the price. Also you can manage and customize the inventory and the shipping settings. So after you're done, you can just save this place and go back to complete the design. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so as you see here, this is the about section, so you can create another text for this about section. You can just describe what you want in your text. For example, you can select the about section and you have to insert information to include here. So as you see here, you can just make it shorter and use, for example, this text, or regenerate another one if you don't like it. So that's it. If you want to change this image here, just click on it. Okay, now you just search on board games. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so that's it. So this is the last section here. You can just add your email and the company name for the copyright. Okay, so if you want to change the color, for example, just click here and you can change the color like this in the background. So that's it. So before you publish your website, if you want to go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live, and also if you want to save this homepage design, you can save it from here. So after this, if you want to publish your website, you can publish your website and go live and start your business. You can start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.